This is a video showing how to use the calculator within SPARKvue to change the sense of a sensor. So I have a motion sensor attached to my computer that's running SPARKvue. I've previously generated a graph of position versus time. I'm going to collect a quick run of data here. And if we zoom in on this by auto-scaling rather, you can see down here after the initial onset we have a nice waveform here. But if I wanted to instead change the sign of this, I'll go ahead and go into my calculator. I'll click on the Cross Experiment Tools, and then I'll click on the Calculated Data. I'll click on the Open field at the top here under Calculated Data, and I will name my new variable, and we can call this REVPOS position, and equals. Now I'm going to either select the negation sign down here, or I can type it from the keyboard. And then I'm going to go down to the Measurements button down here, and I'm going to select my position. Once I've done that, I need to define my units. Since I'm dealing with position from the motion sensor, the position information is going to be given in meters. So I'll do that by going down to the Properties button, and then clicking on the keyboard next to the units. Now I'm going to put in M for meters and click OK. And then click OK again. I now have my calculation, and my units have been set, so now I can click on Done on the upper part of the calculator, and click on OK. To get the new calculation to display, I now go over to my vertical axis label, left-click, and now under Measurement for that y-axis, instead of selecting the sensors, I'm going to go over to User Entered, and I can now select my reversed position there, and click OK. And now you can see that the sense of the position has been changed.